Good morning guys. Today is a very gloomy day, but I have a very busy day. This morning I have to see one patient who can't come in any other day, so I have to see her, and then I'm gonna go out on our car with my mom to go to a gift fair to look at some potentially good items that we want to maybe sell later on in our future clinic, or perhaps even in our clinic now. So we're gonna have a look, and we're always on the lookout for really good quality and like environmentally friendly, as well as like more natural products to share with our patients. So that's gonna be fun. And then later on at 5 o'clock I'm meeting my boyfriend at Lidcombe, and we're gonna have some Japanese food. So yeah, it's gonna be another busy day. Hey guys, so we just parked and there is like a free shuttle bus from the parking space to the fair, but just decided to walk. It's about a 10-minute walk. It's nice and warm right now, but it does look quite gloomy still. So the funniest thing happened. We were actually walking the wrong way, and we walked for about 15-20 minutes. 10-minute walk, 10-minute walk, 10-minute walk, and realized I actually called them up to ask where the heck it was, but then got told I was actually walking the wrong way. So we ended up catching the Uber, which cost us like $13, and now we're finally here. Such a trek. I think we're in the right place. So embarrassing, oh my god. Here we are, the dome. Such a long time to get here. 우리 도움으로 들어왔는데.
Hello ladies. Can we check?
I haven't printed my
That's all right, we can do it here if you like. We can scan your barcode or put in your name. We'll do your surname.
Oh. And
there you go.
Oh, thank you.
Have a very good day.
You too.
Thank you.
So I'm just gonna get a lanyard. Apparently I'm not allowed to film inside, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye, but here is the beautiful entrance. So I gave in and decided to have chips. I only had a few.
북한에 있는 거.
So the gift fair was good. I think the Reed gift fair, which we went to last year or the year before, was bigger, but this had some really nice stuff. Surprisingly, there weren't as many eco-friendly things, but yeah, it was fun looking around. So I looked around for a few hours. Now it's 3 o'clock and we're in Lidcombe. So Lidcombe is like another really Korean suburb. There's heaps of Koreans living here. Yeah, I think we might go to a cafe again, because I promised to meet my boyfriend here so we can have dinner. Yum. Let's see if I can find something healthy. Wow. 뭐부터 시킬까? 아니면 위에 자리 있어요? Just gonna check if there's any seats upstairs. 여기? 왼쪽? 메뉴 저기. 네, 위층이요. Carrot, apple, orange juice. Yummy. And then English mix. Let's try it. 맛있다. 맛있어? It's so good. It's $7.50. I think it's worth it. And this is the strawberry tart. Not so healthy, but let's try it. 맛있어? Yeah. So sweet.
그치. 호주 사람들은 그런 거 안 해. 나 안 먹는다고 그러지 않았어? 솔직히 언니 내가 해먹으려고 해도 그 정도 돈 든다? 혼자 일하면 뭐든지 돈이 더 들지. 그래 아니 얼마나 뺏긴다. 한국에서는 솔직히 걔가 그런 회사를
Occasionally had like pretty much the same. So we're gonna head off to dinner now. Because it's like 6 minutes until 5 o'clock, which is when we booked. Let's go. We're here. Funny story is that our family friend actually used to live on this property. Ooh. So funny. Because my mom was like, isn't it that place that they used to live? And I was like, really? And it actually is. Oh my gosh. I don't know, probably not. Ooh, ramen. Spicy pork kimchi. I'm gonna try see if I can have a. Wait, this is a drinks menu. Let's look at it together. $50 per person. $50 per person. Do you want something like this? Or like this? Yum! My favorite. 맛있겠다. Ooh, yeah.
Do you want more sashimi or do you want more nigiri?
Maybe sashimi.
Equal? Actually, well, to be honest, I'd have all of it.
Right?
Yeah.
For the combo, you can choose a half roll from this page.
Oh,
You can just choose anyone.
get the grilled salmon. Do you want grilled
Every
grilled
salmon roll?
Yeah.
Sure. Let's
Thank
take
you.
the menu out.
Thank you.
It's finally staying now.
I told you it was fine. Yeah.
You just need to exercise. Excuse me, I get to sashimi combo. The shark is cold soba. Just in the middle. And to eat the green. Damn, it looks so good. You guys have to look. So we got soba, which is like buckwheat noodle, sashimi platter with some nigiri. I didn't know it came with some nigiri, and half sushi roll. And my boyfriend got the karage ramen.
Yeah, wasabi heat to the table.
Cheers. Yeah. How much should I add?
Cheers.
I'm gonna try the oyster first. It's so good. So yummy. You like it? Wow. Kingfish. Got some karaage ramen. Also gonna try the tuna. It's really soft.
It's fatty. It's nice.
This is the grilled salmon roll. Now I'm gonna try the soba. I should try it. Look guys, we did it. We were fat and we ate all of it. How did you like it? Yummy? What'd you rate it?
8 out of 10.
This platter?
7 out of 10.
The ramen?
5.5 out of 10.
Why?
Broth wasn't that great. The chicken was lingering oily taste.
Wait, what fish was your favorite?
Salmon.
I really like, is it snapper? The chewy fish. I really like the chewiness. But yeah, salmon was good. Kingfish was alright. It's still bright,
Yeah.
surprisingly. Because we had dinner so early. So my auntie wanted to buy you dinner because
Thanks.
you know that time we went to Strathfield and we saw her and you
Yeah.
had to carry around the stuff for us?
Oh, 괜찮아.
Yeah, she wanted to see us.
Okay.
I think on the other side.
Well, we
The car's on the other side.
same traffic light for 20 minutes. It was pouring as well.
Really? Mom's not picking up. This is the restaurant that my family friend owns. You guys should definitely visit. Good morning guys. Sorry I didn't get to update you guys on the rest of yesterday. Basically met up with our family friend. My boyfriend went home and then we talked for a bit. Then I went Korean grocery shopping as we always do when we go to Sydney, and then I just drove home with my mom and my aunt. So my auntie's over today, and today we are going to Narara Ecovillage to have a look because they have an open day every month, and we just want to see because we might consider living there eventually. Just gonna have a look around, and then they'll have like a tour for like a hemp made house or something. That's really pretty cool. I bet it's really eco-friendly. We're gonna go do that at 1 o'clock. But right now we're gonna go to the open day to have a look around everywhere in general. I'll show you guys around.
아유 졸리다.
So we're here. There's loads of people ready to go on the tour. Look guys, there's acorn tree. And that's the community hall, and there's like a little coffee cart. You just need to do the registration. And the townhouses. We're still building a lot of houses. And this house is made of hemp. It's a hemp house. And look at the view there. So nice. So green.
저쪽에 있는 거.
저렇게. 케이블카는 아니고.
케이블카 꼭 그것처럼 생겼잖아.
Now we're gonna get like a tour inside this newly built hemp house, which is very sustainable, energy efficient, and a beautiful view.
So I figured out how to use 3 different colours of wood stain.
Check it out.
Yeah, I quite like the fake
So
wood.
beautiful.
Cubic meters. Yeah. So currently the corner bedroom is configured as, but we've framed the walk-in road and put a window in it so it can be the 4th bedroom when the family moves in with 3 kids.
Hemp.
But currently it's configured as a walk-in road.
So cool. Very nice. The doorway. Back outside.